My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Volkswagen Grand California. This vehicle has done just over 28,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with our cooker, sink and fridge. Just behind me is the bathroom. In here we have our toilet, sink and retractable shower head tap. Just above our double bed, you can see that we have a lot of storage, making this camper 2-berth, 4 belts. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. To the left of our screen, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right, we have navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, our vehicle status and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.